Let's see. She's got little spots on her wings. They look like eyes, and it's a brownish coppery color. Oh, they're so pretty. Can you see it? Let's see. Get a better look. Oh! Oh, there's another one. Ooh, that one's really skittish. Where did this one go? It's gone. Alright. Well, let's go a little further. So, sweet gum. That is... Make sure I'm not going to step in poison ivy. It's all over the place. That's this plant right here, I think. Oh, I'm looking. Alright. Ah, this one. This is a sweet gum. I thought it was a maple. Okay. I see a bench. That's a good idea. Let's take a break. Wow, it's turning into a real jungle in here. Alright, so we got all kinds of songbirds. We got the eastern kingbird, the yellow warbler, gray catbird, common yellowthroat. Alright, the trail branches. I want to go to the Alligator Marsh Boardwalk. That's what I want to do. But maybe I should sit down for a moment first and take a little bit of a break. I'm feeling a little dizzy. This says trail map. And it's showing the trail on... Ah! That's funny. It's showing the trail on the bench. Oh, something else here. What do we got? Oh, I can't read that. Robin. The name Robin. Alright, let's sit down. Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, wow. What was that? Oh, I can't wait to get that on film. I mean, to look at it, because I'm not sure what that was. I think it was a butterfly. Or it could have been a bird, but I think it was a butterfly. A big one. See the red berries in front? That's cool. Oh, my back is starting to hurt. Oh, I think my medicines are kicking in. This is really beautiful. Let's continue on to the Alligator Marsh Boardwalk. All right. Blackberry. Oh, yeah, I know what that is. This is different from the version, though. Out west, it says blackberry. I'm not really seeing any blackberry, so I don't know what they're talking about, but there are. Okay, so there's blackberries out here. Blackberries and mulberries. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty. Wow. I hope the GoPro's catching the light effects of the shadows that the plants are putting out, because it's really kind of magical. really is. Okay, let's continue on. Onward to the boardwalk. Try and pick up my speed a little bit. Ooh, here's some thistle. That's some milkweed or thistle. It's a noxious pest. I can tell you that much. I wonder if anything lives in here.
She has a picture head.
Yep. Did you guys hear that? I have a picture head. Yep. Yeah, we're getting into some marshy area, all right. We haven't hit the boardwalk yet, though. I like boardwalks, especially when it's not a real hot day, because they tend to not have a lot of shade usually. Picture head. That is great. Ooh, now this is pretty grass. Oh, it's so beautiful. Salem would love that. He'd probably be digging on it. He'd be like, "Arr, arr, arr, arr." Cats are so funny when they eat grass. Their teeth are not made for that at all. This is the boardwalk. No, this isn't the boardwalk. This is just oh, I see. We got a muddy patch here. So it's just a way to go across. Ah, there we go. Taking you through the trees. Sorry about that. Hey, this is cool. I'm balancing. Whee! That's cool. That was kind of fun to do that again on the way back. On the way back, I'll turn you off because there'll be enough footage. This is getting to be a very long video. But it sure is pretty. And I like to share this with everyone. For those of you being housebound and can't get out, wish you could take a trip. Yeah. Now I'm getting my dream. My dream has come true. I've always wanted to do a cross-country trip. There's the grapes, the wild grapes. It's all mixed up in this vine, and then this is that other tree. I can't remember. Christmas tree, holly tree or something. I don't remember what that was called. Look at all these grapes. Wow. And then up above you got the moss, the Spanish moss. Here's more of it right here. Alright, so continue. Oops. Keep getting snagged. Alright. Trying to speed up because I don't know how much time is left on my card. Oh. little bit. Stretch this hip out a little bit. Oh, it's still acting up on me. But it's better than it was earlier. Of course, the rain probably had something to do with it too. And that'll be nice to get into a drier climate as I start going up into, you know, Texas further. Ooh, now that's pretty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. All right, holly. Yeah, that's what I thought this was. Or no, right here. This is the holly. Yeah. All right. Ooh, we got a branch in the road. See, if these branches are stretching out over the trail, they need to trim this back a little bit. I would love to do that. I would like to help do some trail maintenance. I've always wanted to, so maybe during this trip I'll do that if I find out there's something going on. I'm going to be in a place like Santa Cruz. I'm going to be there for a while. Well, there's a lot of poison oak there, though, so I don't want to mess with that.